Hey y'all, welcome to your Tuesday Tips. It's Sarah, Mary Kay Sales Director. Today I'm going to show you how to wash a foundation brush. So this is our synthetic fiber new foundation brush. This is something that I actually got from the dollar store. I love to give them as gifts too, so if you ever come as my guest, you'll probably get this as a gift. It just is so good for washing your brushes. It's supposed to be for your face. I don't know, but I use it for washing brushes. So you have a brush, dirty brush, super dirty, a little, it's like a silicone thing. See how it has like little teeth? See, it's got little hairs on it from last time. And then dish soap. Usually we recommend Dawn, but I just use whatever's at my sink. So I'm going to get my brush wet. I have my sink on warm water. And something that I tend to do is I'll go like this under the water. Okay. Then look at how it brought the makeup to the surface. I put a squirt of soap. And then I'm going to just sit here and rub. Now, if you wash your brushes regularly, this should not take very long, but if you're like me and you go way too long between cleanings, which is disgusting, I might add, like, you can literally get zits and acne and stuff. Like, this is so gross, but like, there have been times when I got zits on my cheeks and I realized, uh-oh, I need to wash my brushes. Like, that's, don't tell anyone, guys, it's so gross. But it really is ideal to clean your brushes every time you use them. Mary Kay makes a really nice brush cleaner. That's just a spray brush cleaner, so you just spray it and then you rub it with a towel. So that's recommended to be used every day. And then about once a week you want to do a deep cleaning like this. So I just put one more. I do the same thing with my hair, y'all. I double wash my hair. I double wash my brushes when I'm deep cleaning. So I really want to get down in there because the foundation tends to get really deep into the roots. And so I want to make sure I get way down in there. So I will clean pretty much all my brushes the same way. Now most of them, you know, if they don't have as many bristles, it takes about 1/10 of the time that I'm spending here. And then once I have this all rubbed in, I'm just going to stick it under the water. Sorry, you can't see that part. I don't have a cameraman. My cameraman's my coffee cup this morning. And I'm just rinsing it, getting all the water out. And then a tip, if you have a really dense brush, which our new foundation brushes are so densely bristled, it's divine. But that makes it much more difficult to dry. And so I do that, splash some of the water out, then get a towel, and this is key. I did not do this the first time, and it took like a week for my brush to dry. So if you get a towel, just rub it around. Now don't go, you know, you don't want to hurt your brush. I'm not pressing hard. I'm just swirling around and around and around on a clean towel to get most of the moisture out on its own. And this, now some of your brushes you don't need this, but a foundation brush, because it's so dense, if you don't do this, like I said, it'll take a week. And then once I've done that, I'll just set out a paper towel and always have your brushes drying with the bristles pointed down. Even if it's like just sometimes on the edge of the sink, so it's just the slightest pointing down, you just don't want it going like that because then the water can drain down into the glue and it can make your brushes fall apart. Like every brand, this isn't just Mary Kay. So there we go. A clean brush, and I'm so excited to put my foundation on with a clean brush. All right, y'all, have a great day. Thanks for joining me for my Tuesday tip.